Hey everyone, this is Katie, and I wanted to make a quick video of a very healthy snack you can make if you have certain Herbalife products. If you guys don't know who Dreya is, she's on Instagram. She's a huge influencer for Herbalife. She's high up there. She's made a lot of money, and she's the one that put this recipe on her page. And then I've made the brownies twice. Very delicious, de leche brownies. You'll need a third cup of coconut flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 scoops of protein mix, the vanilla one, 2 scoops of firmly one, Dulce de leche, those both are from Herbalife, 1 cup of almond butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup almond milk, a half cup sugar-free syrup, and a half cup of dark chocolate chips. And then you want to preheat your oven to 350, and then in a medium bowl mix all the ingredients together and spray an oven-safe bowl with coconut. Put them in there and bake for 15 minutes and enjoy. Just thought I'd share this. They are delicious.